Okay, so guys, I want to show you how to install your VS Code and how to download it and install it on your system. So now when you come in now, type in download VS Code. So when you click on it, you click on this first one. So after clicking on it, then you click on this one for Windows. When you click on this one for Windows, then automatically it start downloading. If you are using a Apple, like if you are using a Windows system, look you will see it's downloading already. Okay, so I don't need to avoid downloaded it, so no need, I just cancel it up. Okay, yes, okay, so that is that. So as I've cancelled it up, then I'll go to my where it's installed on my system. So I'll go to my download. Now scrolling down to my download, this is where it is. Scroll down to my download, this is where it is. This is the VS Code. So we click on the VS Code twice. It's going to prompt it up to start what? Downloading and installing on your system. So a small download box will appear like this. Then you click on accept, I accept, then you click on next. After next, make sure you check up this create desktop icon, add open with and add open with. Click these two, then click next, then click install. So once you click installed, it's going to just give it a moment. It's going to roll on your system and it's going to pop out too. So that is just it. So just give it like a minute or so or some second, depending on the speed of your system. It's going to show the installation handle. And when you start installing, wow, that is okay, and you are ready to go. Just give it some moment. It's coming up. It's coming good. Guys, do you see it now? So yes, it's going to go normal. So it's loading already. So once it's fully loaded, you can be able to have the power of VS Code on your system and what you're going to use for your programming, all those stuff. So I really thank you for watching to this moment. So if you have not subscribed, try to subscribe and click the notification button below so that you can get more notification on this. Or we post new updates on products, especially programming and designs and all these stuffs. Okay, so our download is immense more to be finished. Okay, so now it is what completed in some seconds to go. Wow, congratulations, we have finally what completed installation. Then let's wait for the good. Now you can start to launch it, which I would love you to launch it to see how the VS Code goes on everything. Okay, so that's how it is. So that's how you launch it with the VS Code. So it's going to pop up. The way it pop up is going to show everything that you need to know concerning the VS Code. Depending on your system, on your system. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So thank you so much. I really appreciate. So we'll see you next time in our next project. I'll show you how to do the next project and make it easy.